23 anyos, tubong Mindanao, Agusan del Sur, ang bayang sinilangan ng isang boksingerong may nakakatakot na abilidad. Sapagkat ang karakas nito ay tahimik na nag-uobserba lang ng paligid at sa oras na maging delikado ang sitwasyon ay mabilisang ihahasik ang kalabit-penging gatilyo ng kamao. Tinaguri ang The Silent Assassin dahil malinis at malagim ang sinasapit ng kalaban. Kumbaga sa gubat ay mag-isa kang lalantakan nito kapag inabutan ng gutom sa paglalakbay. Naanimoy biyaherong manlulupig sa anumang uri ng lugar na maibigan. Ito ang kwento ng batang boksingerong isinilang para ihayag sa buong mundo na hindi patapos ang kinang ng mga Pilipinong pinasimulan ng isang Manny Pacquiao. Ating saksihan kung paano lumapa ngayon ang tahimik na batang leon mula sa bansang Pilipinas. Sa entrada ng laban ay bansang Thailand ang papalag kontra Pinoy. Matindi ang bitbit nitong kartada dahil sa 8 wins na panalo nito, lahat ay nauwi via knockout. Kaya naman ang bakbakang ito ay inaasahang matatapos sa isang malagim na pagtatapos dahil ang kartadang bitbit ni Miel Fajardo ay may isa lamang decision wins at buong 9 na panalo nito ay inilagay sa mahimbing na bangungot. Rated rank number 9 sa buong mundo pagdating sa flyweight division. Ito ang bakbakang Miel Fajardo versus Sarawut Giamtong. Bakbakan para sa corona bilang pinakamalakas sa Asia o ABF flyweight title. Pilipinas kontra sa Thailand. Huwag po kayong malilingat sa bakbakang ito sapagkat bibihira hong maganap ito sa mundo ng boxing. At hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan nyo yung tagpo ng bakbakan dahil kakaiba ho talaga yung nangyari dito sa kalaban. Sobrang kakaiba. At para sa akin, nabitin ako sa fight. Kulang na kulang para sa akin yung nangyari. I mean, sobrang... Ito, panoorin na muna natin. Round number 1. Iyon po ang aking binabanggit, brother. Ewan ko kung anong eksena yung naganap na yon. Husgahan natin, no? Ewan ko kung mag-i-enjoy ako sa fight. I mean, this is boxing, brother. Talagang ganito po yung eksenang pinasok ng mga boksingero, no? May nananalo, may natatalo, pero malagim ho yung sinapit ng kanyang katunggali rito. Segundo lamang po, it's 4 seconds or 7 seconds. So napakabilis. At dahil nabitin tayong lahat patungkol dito sa bakbakang ito, ating ibalandra muli yung kwento patungkol pa kay Miel Fajardo.
Hit by left hand, but he's trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body movement from him. He shifts another left hand, big left hand again. There he touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Shot. Oh, beautiful left hand there from Fajardo.
Parang isang matandang uugod-ugod na iniwanan sa gitna ng nakakatakot na gubat ang naranasang bangungot nitong undefeated boxer mula Argentina. 17 wins, 0 loss at 12 by way of knockout. Kung matatandaan natin ay minsang dinayo ni Casimero ang bansang Argentina para itaas ang bandila ng Pinas. Ngunit sa halip na tingalain ang banderang Pinoy, katakot-takot na pagkapikon, bugbog at rambol ang dinanas ng ating matapang na boksingerong si Cuadro Alas. Kaya naman sa ikalawang pagkakataon ng bakbakang Pilipinas at Argentina ay hindi na naulit sa kanilang balwarte ang anumang laban kontra Pinoy. Sa halip ay ikinasa ang laban sa bansang Dubai para magsilbing paghihigante ng tinaguriang Silent Assassin Miel Fajardo. Tubong Agusan del Sur at may kartadang 8 wins, 1 loss at 7 by way of knockout. Sa entrance pa lamang ay parang superstar na kung ituring. Itong si Agustin Gauto, nasa mataas na rankings kasi ito ng bawat sanksyon. Kaya't di pa man kampyon ay astang hari-harian kaagad. Ang kilos dahil malamang ay tumatak sa kanila ang kabastusang ipinaranas sa Pinoy. Kaya naman kahit kapirasong respeto ay walang naiwan sa boxer na ito. Habang ang Pinoy naman ay literal na bulyaw ang dinanas, di pa man nag-uumpisa ang laban. Sa madaling sabi ay bastos ang naging pagtanggap sa ating pambato. Kaya naman ating panoorin ang laban na magsisilbing paghihigante ng Pinoy sa mapait na dinanas mula sa bansang Argentina. Eto na po ang bakbakang Miel Fajardo versus Agustin Gauto.
Philippines, Ismael Fajardo. Agustin Levion Gauto.
Good luck and good luck.
Forever is the strangest thing. It's short.
Bakbakan para sa timbang ng 108 pounds light flyweight division. Umpisa pa lang ay nagpaparamdam na ng mataas na enerhiya ang kalaban. Habang iba yung ingat, ang ginagawa ng tinaguriang silent assassin Miel Fajardo.
Nice work, and it's thing with the eyes running to the belly. Like a nice jab to the head.
Tried to lead off with a left hook, was short. Shot there.
Nagsimulang umatake si Fajardo matapos mapakiramdaman ang suntok na binibitawan ng undefeated opponent. Dito ay nagmistulang lantang gulay ang kalaban sa matinding birada ng Pinoy.
To go down to the body again there. Back up to the head, but he's letting his hands go, putting his punches together well.
Solid jab in from Gauto. He needs to be a bit busier.
Spaced out when he throws that jab, doesn't he? Steps into it. He needs to, because Fajardo just stays kind of on the board when he takes those feet out well. Do you think he got through solidly with one of those body shots?
Yes. Particularly the second one for me.
He's just gone into a shallow bit, isn't he? Gauto. Not hugely, but something registered there, definitely. Into the final minute of the round.
Sharp left over from Fajardo there, left uppercut, left hook.
A nod of the head there from Gauto. They both land at the same time. He's having a good opening round here. Filipino fighter.
Unti-unting binasag ni Miel Fajardo ang depensa at kumpiyansa ng kalaban. Sa lagay na ito ay tila nagkalimutan kung sino ang tunay na mabangis na kartada. Ibang-iba sa pinapakitang laro ng ating kababayan. Abangan po natin ang solid punches na tatama.
Shot.
Oh, beautiful left hand there from Fajardo, and that has put him down hard onto his back there, Gauto. There was one just before that. There was a left to the body. He went up top, landed the left hand, and there was almost a nod of approval. And then he did it again, and Gauto was just put straight down. No time left in the round, which is just as well for the Argentine.
Save by the bell ang naging tema sa first round. Pero anong uri ng suntok nga ba ang nagpatihaya sa kalaban? Panoorin natin ang naging replay ng laban.
Just catches him flush. Really did like really right on the butt. Oh, he's in the ropes to keep him up.
And Fajardo has just got to pick his punches here, and it'll be very surprising if he doesn't get the big left hand again there straight at the start of the round, and he's almost kind of dragged down to not his knees quite, but down to his knees. The gloves touch down as well, but Fajardo just got to get on top of it.
He just needs to stay low for Fajardo and then come in with that left hook. Good fight back there from Gauto. Oh, good left hook.
Gauto hit by left hand, but he's trading here, which could be a problem. Good upper body movement from him. He shifts another left hand, big left hand again. There he touches down with the glove. It was a knockdown. The referee didn't give it a second. Left hand puts him onto it.
Kahit nasa round 2 pa lang ang itinatagal ng laban, matapos makatikim ng solido ay halos mangayaw na sa laban itong pambato ng Argentina. Ang referee naman ay mapapansing ayaw pang bilangan kahit lupaypay na sa palitan ng kalaban.
What's the referee doing?
Well, the referee's given him extra time there. He missed the knockdown. There was a touchdown with the glove which he missed, and then he was put down. Fajardo just looking for that left hook. Every single time he can throw it, he is throwing it. Dipping low at the waist there, touches down with the glove again, and the referee doesn't see it. That's another knockdown.
There's been about 4 knockdowns in this round. It's tremendous action, it really is.
It is, it's superb. 1 minute 40 remaining in round 2.
Oh, good shot. Oh.
Another big left hand, and he's taken those two somehow. He's thrown back himself. He goes down to his knees, more in exhaustion than anything else, but the referee does count him this time. The corner are looking on there, the Argentinian corner. I don't really know how much more of this I would need to see if I were them. This is a critical stage of his career, of course. He's 17-0. But I think he's done here, and it's only a matter of time, isn't it? Big left hand again there. The referee jumps in, and that's a good decision from the referee.
Kung oobserbahan ang laban ay talagang ayaw pang itigil ng referee. Kaya't napilitang ibuhos ang malakas na kaliwa ni Fajardo. Dahilan upang mangayaw sa bugbog ang Argentinian boxer. At ito po ang magsisilbing tuldok sa paghihigante sa ginawa kay Casimero. Lehitimong durog ang muling iniharap sa Pinoy. Kaya para sa ating katanungan, sa edad bang 22 anyos at laruan sa laban, pwede na ba itong isalang sa kampyonato? Muli, salamat sa pag-like at pag-share ng video na ito. Palagi kang mag-ingat, ka-brother.
Getting the late game ang nandito para sa'yo. Maabot ang mga gusto mo.
Walang ibang hiling kundi ang makamtan